In order to program an RGB LED with Arduino, you need first RGB LED, second Arduino Uno, and 3 resistors and wires. 3 resistors, each resistor 220 ohm. Then we connect first the RGB LED, the red pin into pin 5, the blue pin into pin 4, the green pin into pin 3, and the cathode to the ground. Now after finishing the circuit, building up the circuit, we go to the coding part. First, we define the inputs or the outputs. Here we define that red light pin equal 5, green light pin equal 3, blue light pin equal 4, and the pin mode red and green and blue are outputs as outputs. Then after finishing the void setup, defining the red pin and the green pin, we go to the loop. At the loop, we put the code we want. We put in order to show the red or green or blue lights or any other lights like yellow, blue, raspberry. We put the code to get these colors. First, in RGB color 255.00 red color will obtain. Then we put delay 1 second. Then RGB color 0 255.0 green, the green color will obtain. Then after that we put RGB 00 255 as blue color for the blue color. RGB color 255, 255, 250, 125. This is the raspberry color will obtain. After that, we put the RGB color 0, 255, 255 cyan color will obtain. The others, the same thing, the same steps we need. Only we changed the 255 the values. We changed the values of them. And for obtaining yellow color, we put 255, 255, 0, and to get white, all 255. Then we put the void RGB color as analog write, red light pin, and red light value. Then analog write green light pin and green light value, also in this blue light pin and blue light value. After finishing the coding part, we go to test this code and start simulation. Here the output results will obtain. The colors will obtain as we program them, from red, beginning from red, green, blue, yellow, turquoise, purple, etc. This is the coding. This is our project has finished. I've finished. Please like our page on Facebook, qwens.electronic, and our video channel on YouTube. Thank you for watching.